All right, so this is the setup. Now this is on. Oh, I didn't put the. I'm supposed to be able to see the background watermark. Yeah, there we go. Why was that not on? All right. Anyway, so I made up a script. I had a foundation for a different indicator, and then I found that the indicator I was using, along with the engulf candle indicator, which is AI engulf, favorites. This one, AI engulfing candle. That is what this is. Okay. Um, and this is what I have here. Cookies AI engulfing bin screener. That's the name is the title name whatever was saved as. Um, and this was a progression. This is based off of a strategy that I've been using for probably middle of last year, 2024. It's now February 15th, 2025. So it's been less than a year, but I started tracking it closer when I saw some of the performance. When I saw it do really well, I said, "Oh, I need to really, really like stick with this." And I was running several different um, strategies at once on multiple accounts, and this one using this one right here. Um, Later using this together. Um, 80% of it was just this, but I wanted to do better. Like I was like, okay, needs to be a more. I'm tired of like getting the false signals. So I try to figure out a way to um, get rid of it. I found another indicator that gave me some of the numbers and everything to be able to um, have like the basics and everything. And I said, oh, I need to change some stuff. And then I wanted to have my own. So I made my own, made some changes to the script, added buys and sells into it, um, some other stuff, whatever. So, um, yeah, and added like alerts and stuff. Um, but this is based off of a strategy that gave me 100% return in 15 weeks. I was over 100%. Wait a minute. Yeah. Oh, I never. Oh, 120%. I was telling people 100%. It's really 120%. I mean, I underestimated. I didn't expect it to do that well. 120%. Wow. I've been saying 100% all this time, and it was really 100. I was being very conservative about it. But okay, so time for honesty here. Um, so the way you trade this is going to be, see how these are in the middle of the channel and how it's like choppy. That's not a signal. I want to be able to, I tried to take that out. I couldn't really get it to find a way to get it out. Maybe I can figure out how to clean that up, but just don't take them. Um, it's too risky. Then it's overlaid with the candle at 1470 30. Then you see these are buys. And so what you want to do is you want to keep a 35 pip SL on these. Okay. I mean, if it just goes beyond that, but I mean, I keep it 35 pip SL. See, this is in the middle. Not supposed to take it. This one you're supposed to take. It comes down here, get out the trade. Okay, so that's like 52 pips. Um, I would look for a signal down here, but there's no signal. Just don't take the trade. Leave it alone. This happened to come back up. This is perfect. Now, even though this is inside the band, I always look for, I want it to be um, no more than 10% of the way. Um, if it's gonna do that, if it's candle's gonna touch it, okay, and actually reverse, I see it reversing. The signal. I like it for it to be either this close or up here. Other than that, it's just it's gonna be more risk for you. Okay, it's a more risky. Like this one did work out. Like even though it's further along, um, it didn't trigger until 18 pips later. Um, but you keep it 35 SL, right? Ended up, and then you see that you wouldn't have to worry about it, right? Because it's in the middle of the band. You get 86 pips right there on Euro CHF, which you don't really grab more than 80 pips on Euro CHF. You just don't. Um, this is kind of a choppy one. But we got a signal here. This is a real signal. Um, this one, uh, not this one. So, and then I added a projection in the front here, so you can kind of guess where the lines might end up being. Okay, so because someone had texted me saying, "Hey, it's 50 bars behind, like it's like way back." So that's been corrected. So we got a sell signal here from the engulfing candle. So I mean, it gives you more chances. Okay, these will pop up, get in, right? Boom. I mean, you're catching 132 pips. You're catching. I mean, this is gonna make you a winner. Okay, this is what I try to do. Um, because me being like the worst trader in the entire planet, I needed something that was like seriously good, like totally good, right? And just know how to read it. You're not taking these. See, it's all inside the channel. You're not taking these. This pops outside. This is why I have these, okay? Because they're going to be able to tell you early, right? This would be late, but that's early. Um, they don't go back too far. Here, boom, boom. I mean, you can take that. It's fine. I mean, you're cleaning up, really. I mean, you're just cleaning up. And when you hold these trades, have patience. The higher time frames are going to be nice reward for you. You're not going to be running to your computer all the time. Set it, forget it. You want to have your TP, like for example. All right, and this is what we're doing. If you want to be in the group, following me, following my trades, um, just I don't know if I think I have the information on the profile, but you can always message me if you got a question or whatever you want to follow me, follow the trades. I mean, you got it. You're banking. Look, in 8 days, it's 339 pips. So let's say I'm in this trade, right? It would be. Oh, where's the I never use the. Where's that profit tool? Is it right here in a long position? So you're gonna be. This one's gonna be. It's probably gonna go up higher as time goes on. But it would have didn't quite hit yet. But yeah, something like that. Um, and that's great. It's a 2.88. Okay. It'll be something like that. Sometimes they get larger. They may come in tight and then expand. So see how this is going further. So it's going to be buy, and then as time goes on, you're going to adjust it a little higher. It hasn't touched the band. See how it hasn't touched the band. So then not to close the trade. Your SL slowly moving up. At this point, the SL is at the entry. So and I think we're in this. Are we in this? No, actually, I'm. Oh, actually, I'm in a short on this one right now. Actually, I closed the trade on that, but I'm in a short. Trying to remember. Yes, yes, 194 pips. Right on the short GPJ. Yes, that is correct. That is correct. And so I'm expecting this to go. So I would in on the the signal here. I'm thinking it's probably gonna end up somewhere in here, and then just flip it. Comes down, boom, flip it. I mean, that's what I've have done. Not on every single trade, but comes down, I flip it to a buy, flip it to a sell. I'm just gonna clean up, man. Clean up, guys. So this is it. This is all you need. You don't need all that other stuff, all those other indicators, all this junk, and all this, and you don't need that stuff. This is what you need. You're gonna make money. Happy trading. Um, so I have to be careful what to say on it because they'll end up banning me and all this stuff. So, all right, have any questions? Just send me a message. I'll reply. I'll respond to it. This is my second page. This one's cookie two. The first one is without the two on the end, but that one is that ended up getting, well, not allowed to share, right? So I had to make a new channel. I was like, that one's like, I think it's 200. I think it's 280 followers, and then when I started getting a lot of followers, then they cut me off. No, you can't share anymore. You gotta, anyway, I'm not getting into it. Anyway, we're moving on. Forget the past. We're here. We're making money, and I want you guys to join in the fun and make money too. Peace.